This is Shoba Bazaar, which is famous for automobile accessories. These accessories are transported from Afghanistan, East Asian countries, even China, and this bazaar is very famous for automobile accessories. Here is an engine which is being dragged out from the vehicle and it is being repaired. Young boys work everywhere. You can see the many families suffering from the poverty. They are putting it out from the vehicle and they will repair it and then put it back to the vehicle. This is a special machine which is used to drag it out from the vehicle. Here they have dragged out this engine from the automobile, this special vehicle, and they are now checking it out whether it is working properly or not. This is a very busy bazaar. It is famous for all kind of automobile accessories, tires, mirrors, front end, back end, different kind of tools related to the automobile industry. Here they have repaired it out and now they are pulling it again into the vehicle. A young boy is checking inside the vehicle whether it is prepared for this engine or not. The vehicle is now driven down near to the engine and they will pull it out into the vehicle and check it out whether it is working or not. This bazaar is located right in the center, in the heart of the city, near to the Kisahani Bazaar, near to the Khyber Bazaar, and it's a very busy place in the Peshawar. Everywhere, wherever you go in this bazaar, you will see the automobile parts, automobile accessories, tools, and other things that are required for the automobile industries. Here it's a long shot. You can see that this bazaar is looking very beautiful from its outside view. Hundreds and thousands of vehicles are repaired, maintained here every day. You can see that different kinds of engines, automobile engines available here. It is a huge market for all kind of tools, accessories related to the automobile industry. A very busy place. tire chains which are used in the hilly areas, mountainous areas. In the snow falling areas are available also. Thank you so much.